Ready. The representative of Afghanistan told the assembly that the recent volte-face of the military clique in Pakistan in no way exonerated its military intelligence from the crimes against humanity committed in Afghanistan in alliance with Osama bin Laden and the Taliban mercenaries. Stop. Pakistan's military intelligence within bracket ISI was solely responsible for creating, organizing, instigating and tolerating terrorist activities in Afghanistan. Stop. The Pakistani government, and especially the ISI policy makers and high-ranking military officers, who were behind the alliance between Bin Laden, the Taliban and other extremist religious groups of Pakistan were to be considered criminals. Stop. On the distinction between various forms of terrorism and legitimate resistance, the representative of Iraq said that his country suffered from acts of terrorism, including state terrorism such as the sanctions imposed by the United States through the Security Council and United States trained mercenaries carrying out terrorist acts in its cities. Stop. He added, as did representatives of other Arab countries, that the acts carried out by the Israeli authorities in Palestine and the occupied Arab territories could only be described as organized terrorism. Stop. The legitimate struggle of the Palestinian people against occupation and terrorism aggression could not be considered as terrorism. Para. Israel's representative said the United Nations must reaffirm today that there was not, and there could never be, a justification for the calculated murder of innocents. Stop. The indiscriminate murder of innocent civilians to advance political or religious objectives was terrorism, no matter how its apologists sought to label it. Stop. Fabricating distinctions between different types of terror, though conveniently couched in the language of noble ideals, was an unforgivable insult to the memories of those who had perished. Stop. Terrorism was defined by what one did, not by what one did it for. Stop. Representatives of Central Asian countries pointed towards the links between terrorism, organized transnational crime and international drug trafficking. Stop. According to the representative of terrorism, the trafficking of illegal drugs and religious extremism were three interrelated sources of destabilization in the Central Asian region. Stop. An effective joint campaign by the international community to combat illegal drug trafficking would deal a blow to terrorism. Stop. Likewise, a blow against terrorism would deal a blow a drug trafficking. Stop. He expressed his country's fullest support for Security Council resolutions 1368 and 1373 of 12 and 28 September respectively, and for the General Assembly resolution adopted on 12 September 2001, stop. It was important for the international community to rally behind those resolutions and to promote unity of purpose in order to facilitate, strengthen, and enforce action against terrorism. Stop. With the full implementation of the resolutions, especially Council Resolution 1373, the war would be won. Stop. It was a war that the international community could not afford to lose. Stop. It was now up to individual member states to do their part in helping to win the war. Stop. Niger said the recent terrorist attacks had killed men and women of all countries and religions. Stop. Niger firmly condemned this blind violence, and stood ready to participate in the battle against terrorism on all levels. Stop.